Welcome back to Future Circuit, where flagship battles get real, not exaggerated. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S26 Ultra around February 25th, continuing its usual early-year Galaxy S launch cycle. The Ultra model is traditionally Samsung's most advanced flagship, and in 2026 it's positioned to lead the Android market from day one. Based on Samsung's previous Ultra releases, the S26 Ultra is expected to feature a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with QHD resolution and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Samsung displays are known for high brightness, deep contrast, and strong outdoor visibility, key for users in the US and other premium markets who stream, game, and work directly from their phones. Performance in the US market typically runs on Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 series flagship processor. Paired with high RAM configurations starting around 12 GB, that combination is built for heavy multitasking, AI features, and long-term performance stability. Camera hardware is expected to continue Samsung's Ultra strategy, a high-resolution main sensor, ultra-wide lens, and advanced telephoto zoom system, which has consistently been one of Samsung's strongest advantages. During Ramadan promotions in select regions, Samsung's official site and authorized retailers sometimes offer discounts, trade-in bonuses, or bundle deals that can reach significant savings depending on the country. Offers vary by region and should always be verified directly on Samsung's official website. In 2026, flagship smartphones remain the most searched consumer tech devices globally, and Samsung's Ultra launch consistently drives major search spikes early in the year.